boner.
You have to bend over and let him do it.
Take it.
Just take it, Dan.
Me and Donovan were talking about different songs. This is the best game, is take a song that you like, or just random songs, and replace one word with the word boner. Like bone, and Donovan came up with Bone in the USA, which is the best so far. The Strength of the Boner.
Supermassive Boner.
Supermassive Boner by Muse. If you know the names of the songs, it's even funnier. Yeah. Like Never Gonna Give You Boners by Rick Astley. By Rick Astley.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Kiss me, kiss me. Da, 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 da. I'm here with Eric. Got our Between the Buried and Me tickets. Eric's rocking that bro hat. Come on, man. You know what people in Pomona would think of a car alarm?
They would steal one.
Free game! Dressing room. Fat hips. Ew. Don't watch this video. Keep going. Come on, broski. I've got to pee now. My penis is really full. That's gross. Why would my penis be full of piss? Okay, there's an ice cream truck over there. What the heck? I don't know if you can hear it because of Jack Johnson over here, but... And it's parked. That is so scary, but awesome at the same time. No, I'm just getting something. Alright, so Eric's abandoning me. Ow! The heck? Everything on my body is breaking.
Back.
What? What?
Shut up, Dak.
What did you just call me?
Dak.
Dak?
Shut up, Dak.
What are you saying?
You don't remember?
No, from what?
Where was that from? Just like, you know, text message breakup.
Oh. Oh, what the backflash? Kelly.
Yeah.
Shut up, Doc. You Doc.
Shut up, Dak.
Bye. Alright. My hair's all messy because I just went jogging. It's about midnight and I'm gonna go ahead and hit the sack because I am very tired. But thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe and tell your friends.